Poached eggs. So delicious, but such a challenge to make. Even chefs struggle to get them right. But cooking a poached egg to perfection is just a matter of 7 easy tricks. Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Guillermo.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. So Guillermo, you worked for 6 years making breakfast at the Ritz-Carlton hotel. How many poached eggs did you make every week?
About 400.
Wow.
There are a few tricks for making the perfect poached egg.
Okay, let's do it again. How many poached eggs did you make in a week?
About 400.
Wow.
There are a few tricks for making the perfect poached egg. And I'm gonna show you.
Crack your egg into a bowl. This way, if it breaks, you won't lose your egg. Use a pot that is deep, not wide, and put in lots of water. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This keeps the egg white firm and gives it a nice round shape. Bring the water to a boil, then turn down the heat so it boils very gently. Stir the water before putting in the egg. When you do this, the egg moves toward the center and it helps form a round shape. Cook the egg for exactly 3 minutes. Take the egg out and place it in a bowl with cold water for 5 seconds. This stops the cooking and removes the taste of vinegar. If you're not planning to eat your eggs right away, you can reheat them later. Put them in a pot with clean hot water and heat for no longer than 1 minute. If you're hosting a brunch, you can make your eggs the day before and store them in the fridge. Just make sure they've cooled completely before putting them in the fridge. Break open the egg, add salt and pepper, and dig in. It's perfect. Thank you for your expert advice, Guillermo. We hope you enjoy making perfect poached eggs. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.